Hello and welcome. Today's presentation is brought to you by Swahili Visualized. And today we're looking at how to make requests in Swahili. So the first word that we're going to look at is Ninataka. Ninataka. And that is broken into several parts. The ni part, N-I part, means I. So that's me or I. So I or me, you say ni. And then the na part is tense, which stands for now or present. And then taka is a verb, which means want. So ninataka means I want or would like. Ninataka, I would like. And then you can combine that with a noun. For example, here, chakula. Chakula means food. So ninataka chakula. When you combine those two, ninataka chakula, remember ninataka means I want, and then chakula is food. So I want food or I want some food. Let's look at another example. So here we have ninataka again, which means I want. And then lala is a verb, which means sleep or to sleep. So kulala basically means to sleep. So ku means to do. So you put that before the verb. So I would like to sleep. Ninataka kulala. I want to sleep. If you say ninataka kuimba, imba is a verb that means sing. So ninataka kuimba means I want or I would like to sing. Thank you very much. Please support the channel by subscribing so that you can get notifications when we make future videos.